Hey guys, Jess of Air here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making some UV resin pop socket with Hello Kitty on it. This is my little lamp I got from Five Below. So I use my white base, Hello Kitty confetti, and some other small little confetti, my gems, some glitter, and a plate to put it on, a cup to mix the UV resin, and some sticks. Now, my customer asked for clear gems, so I used clear gems, but I can use any color. The Hello Kitty confetti, I chose the one with the pink bow, and other little pieces here and there. Now, I just add a small little squirt of UV resin to the top of the pop socket, and I use the stick to mix it around so I don't get it on my hands. I put a little bit of glitter on top, and that goes under the UV light for about 2 minutes or until it's dry. Now it's time to add the Hello Kitty confetti on top, so I put a little bit of UV resin and move it around and connect Hello Kitty on, and then comes the gems. I put them around the pop socket and then try to even them out. And I move them around until it looks perfect and in line and exactly how I want it to be when it dries. I try to make everything symmetrical if I can. And that goes under the light to keep all those things in place. I add a little bit more UV resin on top. It's good to layer. And now it's time to put the small little heart confetti on. This also helps keep the Hello Kitty looking more put together and just finished. So I'm putting little hearts and stars and flowers and any kind of little shape that reminds me of how cute and happy Hello Kitty is. And I move them around until I like it. And then we put it under the UV lamp to dry so that it's not moving around in there. Let's check out all those rainbows. How cute. That add beauty and sparkle to any phone. And now I set them outside for 30 minutes to an hour to make sure that it fully cures. And once it fully cures, it's time to package for shipping. So I put it back in this envelope that I get when I buy the pop sockets. I think it makes it look more professional. And then I collect the objects I need, so some tissue paper, a little box, and some bubble wrap. So first I cut the tissue paper so that it fits better in the box. And I think when they get to open the box, it's kind of like opening a little present and makes you smile, so I just love doing that. The box has beautiful rainbows in it too. And we put that wrapped up in the bubble wrap. And put that thank you sticker on there because I am so grateful for every single time I get to make something unique for someone. It makes my heart smile. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please let me know by liking and subscribing. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye-bye.